Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we got a good one, guys. Imagine thinking your status as an attorney or claiming to be one could shield you from serious legal consequences. That's exactly what unfolds in tonight's case. A young woman in Florida, in the middle of a fight with her boyfriend, escalates matters into a T-bone collision, a hit and run, and a dramatic arrest. What follows is a textbook example of how not to handle the law. Let's dive in. In this Bodycam footage from February 24th, 2023, we see law enforcement responding to reports of a domestic dispute turned vehicular incident. The young woman, who claims to be an attorney, allegedly used her car as a weapon, T-boning her boyfriend's friend's truck. After the crash, she fled the scene only to be tracked down and confronted by officers. Her behavior during the arrest is a lesson in what not to do. Let's watch the video.
Your car got hit by here? Where's your truck at?
It's the white Cummins down that way. I was literally pulling out, trying to leave. He took his Uber the other way. She tried to follow me because she thought I was going his way. I went back into a spot so I could have a conversation with my girlfriend.
You're going to have work to crash.
Oh, I'll work the crash.
What's up? What's up, baby?
She's probably in the apartment.
She's probably there. The dog's inside.
Yeah, we'll go knock on the door.
He's coming back now.
He said,
okay, can you show us the video?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, this, you guys already looked at. All right, here's it.
Good.
Boyfriend, girlfriend.
You just ran my truck? Are you kidding me?
She rear-ended.
Oh, she T-boned me. Yeah. I pulled up. I went to back in. You can see right there.
You didn't have it on video when he came.
No, I tried. I was trying to pull out the video.
Yeah,
But he said, "What the hell, man?" And she was like, "I don't even know who this dude is." I was standing there.
Oh, yeah.
I was like,
Are you kidding me?
Okay.
yeah.
Are you
Sure.
kidding me?
And her Audie's up there still?
Yep.
So,
Yeah, just a couple spaces before mine. I got nothing to do with you. You ran my truck.
Okay. Did you see which way she left? Like she was
I
coming back
believe
towards
she
the
ran
apartment?
back this way, yeah.
Oh, where's the guy?
He's coming back.
Oh, so the girlfriend doesn't like you, and he's just a buddy.
No, I'm just a friend, dude.
Yeah, but she don't.
I don't know, man. She said, she
Oh,
said, yeah, that's my Cummins right there, dog.
Alright.
So she said, I'm going to follow you to find Tony. And I'm like, I'm not going to f***ing find Tony. I'm leaving, y'all. I don't want to be part of the situation anymore. I already had to sit here and deal with this, that, the other thing, and wait it through. And I'm only doing this because I'm a
So
friend.
she purposely ran your truck, or she just?
Oh,
she's
she
drunk?
rammed it. No, she did it on purpose.
She gunned it.
She reversed
She reversed out and saw
and went.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Purposely rammed your car.
She rammed the shit out of my truck.
it wasn't incidental.
And I hope she has good insurance because I'll take it.
All right, I'm gonna meet you down by your truck.
Hey, at least you have a positive aspect now.
I'm gonna meet you down by your truck to get all the information started, okay? And then we'll go from there.
Police department. Police department.
17765 signal 31 just occurred.
Sir, please.
I'm sleeping.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
For
your back.
what? I'm sleeping.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. For what? I've been sleeping.
You're under arrest now.
For what?
Hold on.
I've literally been sleeping.
We have you on video. Leaving the scene of a crash. You're under arrest.
I've
Leaving the
been
scene of a crash.
sleeping.
Very bad. Good car. Get off the.
What are you talking about?
Sit up. Come on.
I literally have been sleeping.
Stand up.
No more being nice now.
I've been sleeping.
You want to put some kind of shorts on? Or you want to go to jail in your underwear?
I've been sleeping.
You want pants on or you want to go to jail in your underwear?
I've been sleeping.
Alright, listen.
I don't have anything. Why am I going to jail? I've been sleeping. I need my phone. I've been sleeping.
Dog, you put the dog.
I've literally been sleeping. Ryan,
No, you have not. You ran my truck.
I've been sleeping. You have no evidence.
Wow.
Whoever your friend is deceased.
You're gonna believe me or him?
Amanda, I'm sorry.
Tony, stop!
I'm sorry. We gotta go.
This is your fault. You could have stayed. I came. You could have stayed.
It's literally his apartment.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
you didn't tell me anything. No, you didn't.
Driving for aggravated battery. That's when you're under arrest.
I don't want to get anywhere.
Right back. You got a phone?
What?
Hey, you want me to
Why?
stay with them?
Why?
I'm gonna go back Tyson up.
Yeah, go back, Tyson. Thank you.
Where's he at?
I don't know where, but
What can I
battery
do
just
to get over this?
nothing.
Nothing at all.
178.
I was asleep.
Okay, you're on video leaving the scene.
Tony, help me!
You're not making
Can you
things.
calm down?
You're
I
making
know,
things
you
worse
gotta
by
get
being
him a
here.
police report.
We will.
We will.
We will.
I'll take care of it. We just need to get her in a
You
car.
gotta go to jail.
No!
Ram people's cars.
Tony, help me! It's because Ryan stopped me! He beat his girlfriend and he didn't get arrested! Tony!
You're talking not out of here.
You want me to
You
show
deserve
them?
this.
I was asleep with my dog!
I got video of you walking right out of your car.
I was asleep! I was sleeping!
You did this to yourself.
Tony! I was asleep with my dog! I wasn't doing anything wrong!
Right.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't! I was asleep!
Alright, here it is. She wrecked. They got in a wreck.
Please.
Get the police report. Swap insurance. She didn't drink till she got back to my apartment.
Doesn't matter.
I'm not
That's it.
drunk!
What are you
I'm
trying
I'm
to
not
say,
drunk!
Tony?
I'm not
What are you
drunk!
trying to do?
That has
I'm not
nothing to do.
drunk.
That has nothing to do with it.
I'm not drunk! I was asleep!
Stop that.
I was asleep!
If we would have been able to arrest her for trespass at the warning before this
Don't
happened,
you
we would have been. I wish that would have happened. Now my truck wouldn't.
I was asleep!
Amanda, come on.
You
Stop.
cannot!
I don't want to call you
You
shit.
cannot!
Just calm down.
Tony! You tell them! Tell them!
Don't let him hurt you. Just go.
Tell them! You guys are hurting me!
Other side.
Stop!
Listen, just calm down. You're okay.
Please!
Amanda.
No! Stop! Just look at me for a minute! Tony!
Listen.
Tony! Oh, you guys are hurting me!
Get
You
in the
are
car.
hurting me!
Get in the car.
Stop it!
Child supervisor.
I was asleep.
No, you weren't. You're on video getting out of your car after you hit his truck. No, you weren't.
Can you please just let me talk to him?
I mean, you're talking.
No, talk to Tony.
Nope.
I was asleep
No.
in my bedroom. Show
No,
me
you
the
weren't.
video. Show it to me.
Yeah, trust me, it's already uploaded to our evidence,
Show
so
it to me.
I don't have it on hand right now, sorry.
Well, I cannot get arrested until you tell me my rights.
That's not true.
Okay.
I'm sure you know the law.
Well, you have to tell them to me.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you watch too much Cops episodes, clearly.
I'm a f***ing attorney. Tell me what I'm
I
entitled to.
don't have to tell you anything. I'm not going to
Now
talk
you
to you
do.
anymore. Okay.
What are you, why am I being arrested?
We told you because you rammed your boyfriend's friend's truck and you left the scene of a crash.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not.
I'm not going to argue with you like you're 12, so.
Excuse me. I have no ID on me. I have no keys.
That doesn't make any sense.
What do you mean?
How does that have to do with anything with what I just said? What does the ID and having keys on you have to do with anything from what just happened?
Who called the police on me?
Ryan?
No, you can tell me that.
Yeah.
Well, you want to know what he did to his girlfriend?
I really don't care. That's irrelevant to this incident.
No,
Sorry.
it's not.
Okay.
Why am I being arrested for a crash?
Because you crashed into someone's truck and you left.
You have no proof of that.
Okay. Because we don't know what we're doing.
You have no proof that I caught. Show me the proof.
I don't have it on hand, like I just said.
Well,
Do you have the?
Why do you not have it on hand? What is gonna happen?
You're gonna go to jail. You'll be booked, and then you can be bonded out.
I'm not getting bonded out.
Well, then, I don't know what you.
Tell him to come and talk to me.
No.
Yes.
Stop acting like you're 10, please.
Tell him to come and talk to me.
like this all night.
Please.
I can tell.
Do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Where's my dog?
In the apartment.
With who?
No one right now, I guess.
I need water.
Well, I don't have that for you. Sorry.
Well, I need it. That's a basic human right.
Right, but I don't have it on hand.
Well,
Sorry.
too bad, I need it.
Okay, great.
Can you see how many calls you got in reference to this?
I heard you the first time.
Claiming that they called.
Well, then give it to me.
They both called.
What do you think? Your royalty?
I need water.
That's great.
Yeah, you can't deny me water.
I can if I don't have any.
Well, then get me some. Go upstairs because my cup is up there. I need water.
Man,
Water. I'm not asking for anything else. I need water.
great,
No, I need water.
great. And I need $1 million.
I need water. I don't know what I'm going to jail for. You haven't read me my rights.
Leaving the scene of a crash with property damage, aggravated battery, and resisting violence or resisting arrest without violence.
You haven't read me my rights.
I don't have to read you your rights.
Yes, you do.
I thought you were an attorney. You would know what that means then.
Yeah, you have to read me my rights.
Not at all.
Okay. I'm sure this will stand up in court.
Yep. Because I've never done this before.
Well, I've never done it before either.
Okay. How much was your Audi?
Did you read me my rights? I don't want to answer you, dumb.
Wow. Alright, then I'll just guess, I guess. I'm going to say 50. 50, 60,
More than your salary for a year.
Oh, God, I'm so insulted.
What is she signing for?
She's signing your tickets
For what?
for leaving the scene of a crash, like I said 16 times.
But you don't know it was me.
But we do, because it's on video.
Okay. Well, there's a lot of people with blonde hair and
With
white
blonde hair that drive white Audis that's wearing the same exact thing as you in the same exact apartment complex. Come on now.
Come on now. There's a lot of white girls that
Okay.
wear the same thing.
Again, you can tell the judge.
I need water.
I don't have water. I'm sorry.
Well, go get some, sir, because I need it.
I'm not your servant.
Yeah, but you are a public servant.
Oh, wow.
That's what you
Yeah, but
pride yourself about being, I'm sure.
I don't serve people water on a daily basis. Sorry.
Well, it's a basic human right, and I need some.
Well, I don't have some, so.
Well, I'm sure you can go find some. There's a dog park over there. Go get a cup and get me some water.
No.
Okay, well, I'm sure the judge is gonna have so much fun with this. I pay more taxes than you do a salary.
I've never heard that one before.
So get a hard on about being a cop.
Well, trust me, I don't.
I'm sure you do.
Now, let's break down the legal implications of her actions under Florida law. Number 1, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Found at Florida Statute Section 784.021. Aggravated assault involves using a deadly weapon to threaten harm without intent to kill, or committing an assault with intent to commit a felony. In this case, the deadly weapon is the car, which she allegedly used to intentionally hit another vehicle. The penalties. This is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine of up to $5,000. That's at 555. If a firearm had been involved, Florida's 1020 life law would impose even harsher mandatory minimums. Number 2, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. This is found at section 784.045. Aggravated battery occurs when someone intentionally causes great bodily harm or uses a deadly weapon during a battery. Again, the car is treated as a deadly weapon due to how it was allegedly used. The penalties. This is a second-degree felony carrying up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and a fine of up to $10,000. In cases involving firearms, once again, you have the 10-20 life rule. Number 3, resisting arrest without violence. This is found at section 843.02. Resisting arrest without violence includes actions like refusing verbal commands, providing false information, or pulling away during handcuffing. Here, argumentative behavior and failure to comply fall squarely under the statute. The penalties. This is a first-degree misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 1 year in jail, 1 year of probation, and a fine of up to $1,000. Number 4, leaving the scene of an accident. This is found at section 316.061. Drivers involved in accidents with property damage must stop and provide their information. Failing to do so constitutes a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and fines up to $500. In this case, fleeing after the T-bone collision led to this charge. Now, let's discuss the evidentiary standards at play in this case and how they guide the investigation and prosecution. Number 1, mere suspicion. The officer's initial suspicion arose from witness accounts and the visible damage to the vehicles. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. The evidence of a crash and her fleeing the scene provided reasonable suspicion to detain her for further investigation. Number 3, probable cause. Witness statements, damage to the vehicles, and her refusal to cooperate established probable cause for her arrest in this situation. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. In a civil lawsuit stemming from this crash, the standard would apply to determine liability. Remember, it requires just 51% of the evidence pointing to someone being liable. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. If the defense challenges the classification of the car as a deadly weapon, this higher standard might be required. Remember, 75% of the evidence must point to something being more or having a high likelihood of being true. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. For a conviction on a criminal charge, the prosecution must prove her guilt to this highest standard, and they must meet each element of the crime beyond a reasonable doubt. Remember, we used to say this is about 90 to 95% of the evidence must point to someone's guilt. This case is a powerful reminder that no one is above the law. Claiming to be a lawyer, or actually being one, won't protect you from accountability when you break the law. The charges against this individual are serious, with potentially life-altering consequences. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share a little story time with you all. Stuart, Florida, where this incident took place, holds a special place in my memory. Years ago, I visited Stuart to pick up a BMW M5 for my father. I still remember it vividly, not just the car, but because that night I found out I'd been accepted into law school. I checked into my hotel, I got the news, and it felt like a sign that good things were coming. Stuart struck me as a beautiful and somewhat affluent town, a peaceful place. You wouldn't expect drama like what we see today. It's funny how certain places stick with you for reasons you never forget. Let me know your thoughts on this case in the comments. Should someone's professional status ever influence how they're treated by law enforcement? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more legal insights. And remember, this is Advocacy Alchemy, and I'm Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, and Happy New Year. See you tomorrow.